Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2021 LDV G10, stock number 6195. This ran from the 4th 2015 to the 6th 2021. It has an SV7A 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a CV7A 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front door mirror, left rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 5 dents, good private. Right front guard no dents, right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,